Welcome back to a brand new video of the Targeted Individual Program. So again, bus driver looking up at the building. That's why I keep singing. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Gonna expose them all the way up. All the way up. Uh-oh. Oh, hey, the fire trucks now. Uh-oh. I guess I am all the way up. All the way up. All the way up. Gray vehicle, gray vehicle. Gray vehicle, gray vehicle. Across the street, gray vehicle. Across the park over there, gray vehicle. Almost on all corners, huh? I tell you. Oh yeah. Yeah, the NY Fecal apartment in the background there. Oh, here they go. Here they go. Here they go. Hilarious. 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 Anyhow. Get the zombie across the street over there. Just standing there. Oh, look. NY Fecal apartment over down there. He's just standing there. What's going on? Is he a zombie or is he trying to figure out what's going on? All right, he looked like he might be. I don't know. I can't tell. All right. Look, what did we see by the car parked at the corner? It's the blinkers, gray vehicle across the street, gray vehicle, blinkers, another gray vehicle. A lot of gray vehicles parked up on this block. Anyhow, I'll talk to you guys in this video.